Boy, have I got some exciting news. Stick around. Hello everybody, welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX, right here on Ham Shack TV. Thanks for tuning in. Folks, for the past several weeks, I've been promoting the fact that we are about to get into Big Red right here and go on our first ever Ham Shack TV HamFest tour. Well, I've got some great news. It is definitely 100% happening. I want to say big thank you. Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League have stepped up and they are sponsoring the first annual Ham Shack TV HamFest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Guys, I can't say enough about Ham Radio Prep. If you're looking to get your technician, general, or extra class license, Ham Radio Prep's the way to go. They've got all those license courses and they guarantee that you will pass your test or your money back. And guess what? If you use my exclusive coupon code, HamShackTV, you get an additional 10% off right there off the spot on scene. It's fantastic. And I believe in their course. My daughter's going through the technician course right now. Of course, she's 8, so she's a little slow, but that's okay. Maybe you've already got your extra class license, you don't really need any other licensing courses. Well, that's fine. They've got something for you too. Maybe you got that little $20 Baofeng radio for Christmas and haven't figured out how to program it. They've got something to help you with that. They've got the Baofeng Basics course. Maybe you just upgraded from technician to general class and you've got an HF radio, but maybe you're not quite sure how HF works and how to use HF. Well, they've got something for you. They've got an HF master class. And you know what, folks, in these uncertain times, we need to be able to understand how to use our radios and communicate effectively in an emergency situation. They've got something for that. They've got the MCOM course. Go check out hamradioprep.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV, get an additional 10% off. And you know what? When you do that, you're saying thank you to them for supporting the channel and sponsoring the Ham Shack TV HamFest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Now let's talk about World Radio League. Folks, I'll put a link up here somewhere. I think I'm pointing in the right place. Yeah, I'll put a link up here in a moment to the video that I did with Andy several months ago. He's a brand ambassador for World Radio League, and Andy is just a class act. Really, really like Andy. World Radio League is a revolutionary logging application, typically web-based. However, you can use it offline. So if you're on that POTA activation and don't have a very good internet signal, you can still log using the World Radio League app on your phone. You don't have to have an internet connection, but when you do, the interactivity of it is just phenomenal. Go check out that video from me and Andy from World Radio League. I think you're going to be impressed. And right now they've got in beta cat control. So you can control, you can have your radio talk to the application and you don't have to enter in the frequencies and all of that good stuff. It's really, really a fantastic tool. I'm looking forward to continuing to see World Radio League evolve over the next several years. It's really a great tool. Go check it out, World Radio League right now. And you can get a free account with them. You do not have to pay to sign up. They do have premium options, of course, but they do have a free option. Go check out World Radio League. And check out the video in the description for more information about World Radio League. Guys, I can't wait for this HamFest season to start. And it all starts this Saturday. This is the first annual Ham Shack TV tour, HamFest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. And our first stop on there is this Saturday, February 22nd in Dalton, Georgia for the Dalton HamFest. Dalton is a great HamFest, a medium-sized HamFest albeit, but it's a pretty good turnout every year. I've been watching some videos on it. I have not been to Dalton in about 12 years. So we're looking forward to getting down there for the first time in several years. We had Greg Williams, N4JGW, I believe is his call sign, the chairman of the Dalton HamFest on last week. and they've got a great show lined up this year. So we'll be down there, and I'll be wearing my HamFest or Ham Shack TV t-shirt and my Ham Radio Prep hat. So please, you'll probably see me with a camera in my hand. Even if I got a camera in my hand, come up and say hello and let me know you've seen me right here on Ham Shack TV. Next up in March, we'll be going up to the Sevier County HamFest, Sevier County, Tennessee, just up the road from Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg in Sevierville, Tennessee. Rick and the guys up there put on a great HamFest. They always talk about Bud's world famous chicken bog. I don't know if that'll be there this year, but they always talk about it, and it's always a big hit at the Sevier County HamFest. We'll be there. In April, you saw Nancy from RARS Fest, the Raleigh Amateur Radio Society, North Carolina HamFest. We will be going over there and covering that one for you. And they say that that is the world's largest indoor HamFest. And I'll be there to judge it. So I'm excited to take a look at that. In May, y'all know I'm excited about Dayton. It'll be my first trip to the Dayton Hamvention. I've never been there. I'm really looking forward to it, and it'll be a great time to catch up with some of my buddies, Ham Radio 2.0, Ham Radio Crash Course, all those guys. Really looking forward. Tank Radio, I think Frank's going to be there. Really looking forward to that one and covering that one. We'll be there the whole weekend. And frankly, I'm looking forward to meeting some of you all at it. So please, if you see me at any of these HamFests, come say hello and let me know that you watch your content. I would really appreciate that. And then Knoxville HamFest will be in June. Knoxville, Tennessee HamFest will be at that one. And then we'll round out HamFest season with a weekend-long full coverage of the Huntsville HamFest, which will be the first anniversary of Ham Shack TV. We started the channel just about a week before the Huntsville HamFest last year. Really looking forward to that. We'll also be participating in the YouTuber forum there, the YouTube panel forum. Really looking forward to that. Appreciate Jason for letting me to be a part of that, Ham Radio 2.0 KC5HWB. Really looking forward to it. And again, guys, it's all thanks to you. I appreciate all your support. You folks have just been phenomenal in the past year that we've been building this channel, 7 months really. It's hard to believe we've got over 4,000 subscribers, and we're continuing to go at a rapid pace. So guys, again, if you're looking to get your ham radio license, go check out Ham Radio Prep, hamradioprep.com, and use my coupon code HamShackTV for an additional 10% off. They're already great prices. And if you're looking for a good logging out, check out World Radio League. I think you're going to enjoy it. It's a work in progress, but it is a fantastic program. So that's it for now, y'all. We will see you on the road this Saturday at the Dalton HamFest in Dalton, Georgia, 500 Legion Drive. Get there early. We'll see you on the next video. 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.